everyone, welcome to Olive Estate, and today I'm going to show you a 2 BHK apartment which is humongous. It is really huge. 922 carpet area in Kalina, Santa Cruz East, ready to move in with OC. Let me show you the apartment now. So this is the apartment, 922 square feet of carpet area. This way is your foyer area, which you can actually convert into a small prayer room or maybe a library or a study, whatever you wish to do. And now I welcome you to the grand living room of the 922 carpet area 2 BHK attached with a huge deck. This apartment's entry is, when you enter into the apartment, you enter into the west, and when you exit, it is the east. Now this deck is entirely on the west side. As you can see, the sun ready to set down. So here, this entire deck area will always have ample of light. Your apartment will always have ample of light. Let me now show you the bedrooms. Actually, the bedrooms are all, it is a butterfly layout, okay? So this way one bedroom and this way one bedroom. Let me show you the first bedroom, which is also a master bedroom. So this is the attached washroom to the master bedroom. And here's the bedroom. Now you see the little window on that side, that is for your ventilation. Plus you have a full French size window in your bedroom. Also the window faces the airport side. Let me now show you. The kitchen, which is right here. This way is your kitchen. The kitchen has got parallel platforms plus an additional balcony, dry balcony, where you can have your washing machine set up outside. You can dry your clothes here. And on the other side, this is the area for your fridge. On the other side, you have another bedroom, which can also be converted into a master bedroom, just in case if you wish to, and you like to have it that way. So this is the common washroom at this point of time. In case if you want to make it a master, you just have to draw the door from here. And this way is your common bedroom. Again, over here you have a small window up there for your ventilation. Plus this side is open to the STLR view. You're very close to BKC. From here, just about 5 minutes away from BKC. The property is OC received. You also have a car park along with the apartment. So this is about 922 carpet area of a 2 BHK with car parking. In case if you want to know the best deal for this apartment, you can get in touch with me, Sana, on Olive Estate on the number given at the end of the screen. And thank you very much for watching my video. I would request you to kindly also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.